Attention manufacturers and tech schools and university friends, we are exactly 6 weeks away from the start of October, and you know what that means. My favorite time of year. No, not pumpkin spice latte time. It is manufacturing month in October. And my question for you is, do you have a plan for manufacturing month on October 7th? Really, with some basic preparations, you can have big impact in your local community. I know it can feel overwhelming and too busy and we have too much to do and there's no time, but how many open positions do you have right now? 3, 13, 30, more? How much turnover do you have in those positions? Do people leave at break time on the first day? Do people leave in the first month? Every time someone leaves, you are out thousands of dollars in productivity and training and recruiting and efforts that are just lost. Winning at the talent shortage game is going to be done by small actions in your local community. The idea of Manufacturing Day is to engage your local community and schools and share the great career that is working in manufacturing and the trades. It really doesn't need to be hard or a lot of work, and Manufacturing Month is a great opportunity for you to be proud of what you do and share it with others. For those in the Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, and Cincinnati-Dayton metro area, join the AMIP, Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership. Join us in our quarterly meeting at Monty next week on Wednesday, August 24th, starting at 9 a.m. I will be presenting the enthusiastically received how your technology strategy impacts your HR strategy. I'm going to be talking about how to use your technology investments in your recruiting and retention efforts, and we'll be discussing what does your factory tour communicate to potential hires. Then Molly Fender of Monty Inc. will be sharing her experiences hosting a Manufacturing Month event, her ideas for others to host their own events, and she'll provide a factory tour of Monty to those that are interested at the end of the meeting. I'll make sure there's some links down in the comments. We really have to end the stigma of dark, dull, dirty, dangerous jobs. We need to end the rhetoric of robots taking over. This isn't the Terminator. You know, we do this by opening our doors and sharing what we do with the community. This is the way we can be the exterminator of these negative views. See what I did there? Happy Dad Jokes Friday. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?